to Hemant, Rakesh, and Shaurya. So let us just start the class now. So as we are going ahead of the time, means the time frame and all. So what we will be doing today is just a revision. So we'll be asking you, we'll be giving you certain situations out of which you have to interpret it and tell me that what will happen in such a situation. So as Negotiable Instrument Act is going on, so we will take out Negotiable Instrument Act only and we'll do the things accordingly. Okay, fine, then let's go for it. So this is a very good book of this business laws, which is called Tejpal Seth. I'm just using that book particularly over here, and the presentations given in that book, it is a Pearson's book. Pearson is a publisher, and accordingly we will be proceeding further with it. Okay, so this is the presentation of it. So let us just go with certain cases of Negotiable Instrument Act. Okay. Fine. So see this situation. I promise to pay Balwant rupees 1200 after deducting therefrom any money which he owes me. Now tell me, is it a valid promissory note? If it is, so why? And if it is not, then also why? Any one of you? Come on. Yes. Okay, Manan Goyal.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Manan.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see on your screen this problem given? Practical thing. I promise to pay Balwant rupees 1200 after deducting therefrom any money which he owes me. Is it a valid promissory note? Tell me. Come on. Promise is there, amount is there, certainty is there. Is it a valid promissory note, Manan Goyal? No, you cannot get it by Googling it, okay? This is a situation. Yes, Manan.
Yes.
Manan, can you see it or not? Or you are doing something else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so answer me. Do you know the answer or not? You don't want to answer what?
I don't know.
You don't know this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just guess what it can be. Is it a valid promissory note or not?
Sir, it is valid. It is valid.
It is a valid promissory note. Okay. Anyone else in the class?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
Tirthak.
Sir.
Yeah, Tirthak, tell me, is it a valid promissory note?
Yes, sir. It is valid.
Okay. Fine. Anyone else?
So
No,
I
sir, I
guess
don't
no.
think it's a valid promissory note.
You do not think it's a valid promissory note, Shaurya?
No,
No, sir.
so same, sir. Even I think so. Valid. It's not a valid promise.
Yes, Karthikeyan. Okay. So what is not valid in it?
Sir, because in a promissory note, it's already described at how much amount he should give. So he cannot deduct the amount on his own and then consider it a like valid promissory note.
But he is promising to pay, na? 1200.
But he deducted tax, like he deducted the money which he.
There is no tax deduction on this. After deducting therefrom any money which he owes to me, he owes me. Now this is not
Yeah,
certain.
but in
You
a
are
valid
correct. This
promissory
is
note,
not a valid
there should be
promissory
a
note.
specific amount.
Yeah. Specific amount is not there. So what he owes is not at all properly given. Tirthak,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tirthak,
Yes, sir.
okay. Here you have said that it's a valid because all other things are there, but it's not a valid promissory note because the amount which other owes is not given, is not certain.
Yes, sir.
So the person may deduct anything. The promise is there, but what he owes is not there.
Okay,
So
sir.
what if he owes rupees 1500? So 300 again will be, so it's not a valid promissory note. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see this. The reason is given. It's not a valid promissory note. Promissory note is drawn with a specified sum and without any condition. So this is a conditional one. Secondly, the amount is not certain. 1200 is written, but how much it is he is promising to pay is not certain at all. So both the conditions are there. Okay, Tirthak?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. Now, my next question is to Harshit Kumawat. I promised to pay Balwant rupees 100 10 days after my marriage with C. Is it a valid promissory note? Harshit Kumawat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See on your screen. Is it a valid promissory note?
Yes, sir.
Valid promissory note hai?
Sir, it is valid.
Rakesh Raika, is it a valid promissory note?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tarush Mudgal.
Yes, sir, I guess.
Okay, why it is valid, Harshit? Harshit, why it is a valid promissory note?
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Sir, it is not valid.
It is, you said it is valid. Yeah, Tirthak is saying it is not valid. Harshit,
Yes.
Harshit, you said it is a valid
Yes, sir.
one. And then Rakesh Raika also said it is a valid one. And Tirthak is saying it is not a valid one.
Sir,
So
can I
three of
specify
you
the
argue?
reason?
Yes, Tirthak, you have to answer.
Sir, date is not specified, sir. किस दिन देगा सर वो नहीं दिया इसमें उसने बताया कि शादी के बाद देगा 10 days
Rakesh Raika, what you want to say?
Sir, the amount is specified and the date is specified.
Huh?
He says the due date is after his marriage 10 days. So even the due date is specified.
Okay, you are saying the due date is specified, that is 10 days after marriage.
Yeah,
Tirthak
and
is
even
saying that the date is not specified. Tirthak, is date specified?
सर 10 दिन के बाद बोला है पर सर स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है मतलब कैसे
नहीं, क्या स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है?
डेट
Date
सर
specified नहीं है, शादी
it's,
होना ही स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है.
sir,
Amount
it's a
specified.
valid
Huh?
note, sir. Actually, it's a valid note.
Karthikeyan, you have some point over here?
Yes, sir, it's a valid note only, sir, because marriage is not mentioned. It's okay, but after 10 days of the marriage, he will pay, sir. Like if the marriage is at 24th, he'll be paying at after the 10 days of the marriage. So yeah, it's a valid note, sir.
Okay, what will happen if marriage will not happen then? Suppose he
Excuse me,
dies.
sir.
Sir, but it's
What
not
will
written.
happen to the promise? Suppose Mr. C or Miss C dies before getting married. Okay. So what will happen to your promise?
null and void, sir.
Then what? Then our promises are meant to be null and void.
No, but this will be next to impossible for again marrying C, right?
A bit louder, Rakesh.
So this will be again impossible to marry C if C is not there. So that'll be null and void, and he has to pay due to, like again after promising another deed or anything like that.
So is it a valid or not?
This is a valid note according to me, sir.
Sir, it is not valid, sir.
Now, in the given case, person promised to pay ₹100. It is possible that person may never marry C, and some may never become payable. Hence, the promise to pay is conditional. There has to be unconditional acceptance, na? Now, it is a conditional as it depends on an event which may not happen. Hence, it is not a valid promissory note. Okay? Is it okay, Rakesh? Harshit? Huh?
Yes, sir. If it's a conditional one, even it can happen, right?
Sorry?
As you said, it is a conditional promissory note. So if it's a conditionally promissory note, even that can happen. He can marry C
Yeah,
and he
that
can.
is okay. It is a conditional one, but a person who has made it, to whom who it has been made, he should again accept the condition. Okay, I agree with it. Now, secondly, the date of marriage is also not given over here. Whenever a person, so these type of things are a vague type of things. Okay, I said okay जब देना होगा तब दे दूंगा, ये तो वो वाली बात हो गई. So जब मैं उससे शादी करूंगा तब दूंगा. अब उसे शादी कब करूंगा कब दूंगा कुछ पता ही नहीं इसमें. So there is no certainty at all. It cannot be enforced in the court of law because there is no specified date. There is no clarity about it. Or even suppose a date भी fix हो जाती, उसके बाद में भी it is not means it is not valid. Why? Because there is no, or you can say, certainty whether the marriage will happen. It may not happen because of any of the reasons. Any of the reasons. Okay. It may not happen because C may die. It may not happen because C may run away with some other boy. Okay. Okay or not okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So it is like that. So the marriage date is, even if the date is fixed, though the date you said that date is not given, but 10 days it is given. Even if the date is given over here, something which is on the happening of certain other event cannot be a, cannot be a valid promise, nor it will be a valid promissory note. Is that okay?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan, Tirthak,
Yes,
Tirthak
sir.
bhai.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is.
So next situation. I promised to pay B ₹2,000 on D's death, provided D leaves me enough enough to pay that sum. Is it a valid promissory note?
No, sir.
बताओ भाई. Okay, I will ask. Nandini Khandelwal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
बताइए. Is it a valid promissory note?
So valid.
Valid है. Anyone else? Rahul Javaria.
So no, sir. नहीं है valid promise.
Rahul Javaria.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए. Is it a valid promissory note? Ravi Raman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it a valid promissory note?
No, sir. It is not very promising. Not
क्यों भाई?
because date is not given. Sir.
Death is?
Date is not given.
D's death date is not given.
Date, yes,
या
date.
तुमको
Sir.
अगर तुमको किसी की डेथ की डेट पता हो सकती है क्या?
But it is not valid.
है रवि रमन?
Yes,
अगर
sir.
तुमको अच्छा चलो, अगर तुमको इसकी डी का डेथ का डेट पता होता तो तुम यहाँ पे डाल देते तो ये वैलिड हो जाता. अरे बोलो भाई.
Not, no, sir.
नहीं, क्यों वैलिड नहीं होता? तुम डेथ का डेट दे रहे हो ना, है रवि? डेथ का डेट भी दे रहे हो, तो फिर ये वैलिड क्यों नहीं है? अरे बोलो भाई।
Sir, maybe it's like
रवि रमन को
कि sir
आंसर करने
death
दो
के
ना एक मिनट कार्तिकेय।
yes
रवि
sir.
रमन, तुम डेथ का डेट
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे तुम डेथ का डेट लिख दो, इधर इधर लिखो डेथ का, बोलो क्या लिखूं? बोलो ना।
कुछ सर कुछ भी लिख दो।
कुछ भी कैसे लिख दो? तुम बताओगे ना डेथ का डेट, तो तुम पहले मुझे डेथ का डेट बताओ डी का।
सर 5 अक्टूबर सर, टुडे सर, टुडे सर,
क्या?
टुडे सर।
टुडे? तुम तो आज ही मार
यस
दोगे
सर।
इसको।
हाँ सर।
क्यों? ताकि तुमको पैसा मिल जाए।
यस सर।
I promise to pay. So Ravi Raman is promising to pay B rupees 2000 on D's death. So you are very eager to pay money, and you want to kill D also today only. भाई किसी को अपनी डेथ की डेट निकलवानी हो तो वो रवि रमन से मिल ले, इनको सबकी डेथ की डेट पता रहती है। रवि, एम आई करेक्ट?
नो सर।
नहीं क्यों यार, तुम तो डी का डेथ का डेट निकाल रहे हो, फिर कह रहे हो भाई ये तो वैलिड है। हाँ, डी का डेथ तो सर्टेन है भाई, जो आया है वो जाएगा। A person who has come in this world will leave this world for sure. But
Sir, but
some things are in the hand of God, and those things which are in the hand of God are not certain.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
So
Sir.
everyone is not a Jyotishi like Ravi Raman, who can announce the date of death and date of marriage and date of birth also before the things are happening. Am I correct, Ravi?
नो सर।
तुम फंस गए बेटा ये बात बोल के, है ना?
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
one doubt.
हाँ राकेश बताइए, क्या बोलना चाहते?
Sir, what if B dies first?
सॉरी,
What if B dies prior D dies?
क्या?
What if B dies prior D?
हाँ मतलब दैट व्हाट द थिंग इज, मतलब यहाँ पर तो टू पे बी, व्हाट इफ बी डाइज, हाँ दिस विल बी अ डिफरेंट सिचुएशन. What if B dies? So the promise is to pay B. So if B dies, his legal hire will, execute this promise, and you have to pay to the legal hire. Why? Because a promissory note or a negotiable instrument is a negotiable instrument if you have actually received a value on it. It means you have actually, maybe you have taken some goods, or maybe you have taken some money from B, and B has died. So now their legal hires will actually ask you for that money, na? So you have to pay to the legal hires of B. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rakesh?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
So leave it. What happens if B dies? You tell me, is this a valid promissory note or not? Just Nandini Khandelwal, where are you? Parth Narendra Bhai. Parth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good
Please
morning,
see
sir.
this. Is it a valid promissory note?
Promise to pay.
Huh?
Provided. Sir, I am reading, sir.
Eh? Is it a valid promissory note or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
It is a valid promissory note.
No, sir. Invalid, sir.
Invalid or valid?
Invalid. Invalid. Sir.
Invalid. Why it is invalid? Yes, tell me. Why it is invalid?
Sir, it depends.
Depends
That's
on
why.
event. Which event?
Yeah. So the death.
Death.
Yeah.
So death is certain. Those who have come
Yeah.
will definitely go. So it is
Sir,
certain.
death is certain, but sir, the
हाँ जी. डेथ तो सर्टेन है. जब उसका डेथ होगा, डी का डेथ होगा, तो बी को 2000 रुपए दे देंगे.
हाँ सर, लेकिन इवेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कर सकते सर.
हैं?
सर डेथ इज लेकिन उसका डेट सर्टन नहीं है ना सर.
डेथ तो सर्टेन ही है ना. डेथ तो होगी ही होगी. कौन सा डेट को है ये सर्टेन नहीं है.
डेट सर्टन नहीं है सर. डेट DATE डेथ की डेट सर्टन नहीं.
डेथ की डेट तो सर्टेन नहीं हो सकती ना पहले से ही. अब सब लोग रवि रमन तो होते नहीं है ना.
यस सर.
क्या यस सर? बोलो बोलो. देखो इधर. It is not a valid promissory note. Promissory note is drawn with a specified sum and without any condition. This is a conditional one. That's why it is not certain. Death तो certain है. जब डेथ होगा वो 2000 रुपए दे देगा. बट वो क्या कह रहा है, वो डेथ होने पर दूंगा. तो ये तो फिर प्रॉमिस नहीं हुआ ना, ये तो कंडीशनल हो गया. So it has to be unconditional one. लिखा हुआ है ना उसके अंदर. It has to be unconditional. जो प्रॉपर्टीज बताया उसमें है कि नहीं. ठीक है. Any other argument? Anyone else?
सर
हाजी. चले आगे चले. चलो ये देखो. ये कौन बताएगा. I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 5000 to be paid on demand for value received. Is it a valid promissory note? ध्यान से देखना एकदम. इधर भी कोई लोचा है. Is it a valid promissory note? पुष्पेंद्र पाल सिंह.
Yes sir.
हाँ. Is it a valid promissory note? देखो. हाँ पुष्पेंद्र.
Sir.
Is it a valid promissory note or not?
Sir, yes sir, it is valid. I think.
Valid है. नहीं थिंक नहीं, पूरा ध्यान से देखो, सोचो, उसके बाद बताना. और सोच लो. संदीप सिंह भाटी. सोचो सोचो अभी सोचो. संदीप सिंह भाटी.
Yes sir.
Is it a valid promissory note? बोलो.
Sir, पता नहीं.
पता नहीं क्यों पता नहीं. यू आर नॉट इन द क्लास. नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं पढ़ रहे हो क्या बेटा?
Sir, sorry sir.
रिवीजन नहीं किया इसका मतलब. हाँ.
Yes sir. Sorry.
कोई बात नहीं, करो करो. तारुष मुदगल. तारुष, ये वैलिड प्रोमिसरी नोट है क्या?
Yes sir.
हैं?
Yes sir.
ओके. क्यों है भाई वैलिड प्रोमिसरी नोट? क्यों है ये वैलिड? मतंग शर्मा.
यस सर.
ये बताओ वैलिड प्रोमिसरी नोट है क्या?
हाँ सर, वैलिड प्रोमिसरी नोट है.
कार्तिकेन.
Yes, sir.
वैलिड है?
Yes, sir.
It is a valid promissory note and it is fulfilling all the elements of a promissory note. Okay, देखो इसमें सब कुछ है. इसमें I acknowledge myself to be indebted, to be हाँ पेएबल ऑन डिमांड है, जब वो मांगेगा तब दे दूंगा. ओके, तो डेट का लोचा नहीं है. Whenever the B will ask me, I will pay. Okay, and value received भी लिखा है. So there is a consideration also which has been received. Okay, to whom to pay is also given. Amount is also certain, and there is no condition at all. Okay, it's a valid promissory note. Okay. Yes, Laksharaj Singh. Laksharaj Singh.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी तुम इसमें बताओ. State giving the reason whether following instruments are valid promissory notes. First वाला आप आंसर करेंगे. X promises to pay Y by a promissory note a sum of rupees 5,000 15 days after the death of B.
So valid नहीं है. It's not valid.
Why?
Sir, because conditional है, like death दे रखी है उसमें.
Okay, good. चलो. Let me ask Hemant Kumar. Hemant Kumar Khatik, are you there? Hemant. Hemant Kumar. Sorry, mark absent to Hemant.
Okay, sir.
Harshit. Harshit. Harshit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये तुम नहीं बेटा, एक और हर्षित है ना, only हर्षित. One more Harshit is there. Harshit. Shaurya.
Yes, sir.
Mark absent.
Okay, sir.
Only Harshit. Yes, Nandini. Nandini Khandelwal.
Yes, sir.
Second wala. X promised to pay Y by a promissory note rupees 5,000.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just see this. X promises to pay Y by a promissory note rupees 5,000 and all other sums which shall be due. Is it a valid promissory note? Yes, Nandini.
So valid.
Valid है. Why? Why it is valid? Why it is valid? Why, Rohan Modi? Nandini, you have not answered me. Rohan Modi. Rohan Modi. Sorry, mark absent. Rohan Modi.
Okay, sir.
Rahul Javaria.
Yes, sir.
Rahul. This second one. X promises to pay Y by a promissory note rupees 5,000 and all other sums which shall be due. Is it a valid promissory note?
Wait a sec.
Sorry?
Sir, not a valid.
Why it is not valid? Nandini is saying it is valid. So you and the Nandini who can argue. Nandini, why it is valid? Nandini. Nandini, are you there or sleeping? Nandini Khandelwal. Sure, mark absent to Nandini.
Okay, sir.
Sir, first वाला
नहीं बेटा second वाला.
Sir, not valid, I guess.
हाँ?
Not
हाँ,
valid, sir.
हाँ Tarush. Not valid? Yeah, anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Sir, not valid.
Sir, not valid, sir. Sir,
Okay.
not valid.
Because the
So
total
Nandini was
amount
saying
is
it is
not-
valid. Nandini thought that I will not ask why it is not valid. Well, she was saying it is valid. She thought I will not ask why it is valid. But I asked her. Now see, the payment to be made is 15 days after the death of B. Though the death of B is uncertain, it is certain that B shall die. Therefore, the instrument is valid. The first one instrument is also valid, my dear. Why? Because the date is certain, but at the same time, it is a conditional one. Okay. So condition, the instrument is valid, but the other person has to accept the condition that he is ready to accept the amount when the B dies. Okay. Second is a sum payable is not certain within the meaning. Now see over here, it is and all other sums. Now see here, it is written all other sums which shall be due. Okay. Further date is also not mentioned. Okay. That's why it is not valid. Right. So the second one is not valid, whereas first one is valid. So opposite you were saying. Hope it is any argument from anyone, or have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. You got the point now? Chaliye, let us go for next. So, referring the provisions of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, examine the validity of following promissory note. I owe you sum of rupees 1000, A tells B. You tell me, is it a promissory note? Any one of you? Is it a promissory note? Number one, I owe you a sum of rupees 1000. A is telling B.
No, sir, it's not a promissory note.
Why?
Sir, because it's like A is only telling that he owes rupees 1000 and he's not even telling that he'll pay it, or or not even he's promising around that he'll pay
Very
to
good.
B.
Very good. So it will say it is a statement of debt. I owe you a sum of rupees 1000 is a statement of debt, but he is acknowledging also that he has taken rupees 1000, but he is not promising that when he will be paying it. So it's not a promissory note, because mere a statement of debt does not specify that it is a promissory note. Okay, very well, Karthikeyan. So next is X promises to pay Y a sum of rupees 10,000 6 months after Y's marriage with Z. Yes. Is it a promissory note? Anyone? Those who have been marked absent,
No.
if they volunteer, then their absence may be, it may not be recorded as absence. Anyone from your class? Yes, come on. प्रकाश चौधरी,
Yes, sir.
yes. Second point, X promises to pay Y a sum of rupees 10,000 6 months after Y's marriage with Z. मुकुल स्वामी अभी भी आए हैं, स्वामी जी। मुकुल स्वामी बताइए। मुकुल स्वामी, sorry, mark absent to Mukul Swami.
Okay, sir.
प्रकाश बताओ।
नहीं पता सर।
नहीं पता क्या? बताओ, ये प्रॉमिसरी नोट है कि नहीं है? अभी इतना सब कुछ पढ़ाया क्लास में, सबने पार्टिसिपेट किया, तुमने सुना तो होगा ना? सुना कि नहीं सुना? टेल मी।
सुना है सर, लेकिन मेरा ये पढ़ा हुआ नहीं है।
पढ़ा हुआ कैसे नहीं? अभी ये इसी पे तो डिस्कशन हो रहा था। पिछले 2 चीजें इस पे आ गई मैरिज के ऊपर। तुम कैसे कह सकते हो तुम्हारा पढ़ा हुआ नहीं है? पढ़ा हुआ क्या नहीं? मैंने पढ़ाया है कि नहीं पढ़ाया क्लास में? हाँ प्रकाश बोलो।
पढ़ा है सर।
तो फिर तुम्हारा पढ़ा हुआ कैसे नहीं? फिर तुम क्लास में नहीं थे इसका मतलब, जब ये पढ़ाया था।
सर क्लास में था, लेकिन सर खुद से करना होता है ना एक बार।
तो खुद से भी करवाया ना मैंने, 2 बार करवाया, अभी के भी करवाया। तुम तब भी तुमने सुना नहीं क्या?
सुना है।
कहाँ सुना है? तो फिर बताओ, तुम तो कह रहे हो मुझे पता ही नहीं है। बोलो बोलो, बताओ बताओ, इसका बताओ क्या होगा। वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बता सकते हो तुम। वैलिड है कि नहीं है ये बताना अपने को बस। हाँ प्रकाश, तुम बता दो ये वैलिड है कि नहीं, और उसका आंसर कार्तिकेयन देगा।
1 मिनट सर।
हाँ, कार्तिकेयन को फोन कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं सर।
अच्छा, बोलो बोलो बेटा, बता सकते हो तुम, और तुम जो बताओगे वो सही होगा। बताओ। वेरी गुड, कम ऑन। वैलिड है।
यस सर।
कार्तिकेयन
तो वैलिड नहीं है सर।
नहीं है?
नहीं सर।
प्रकाश चौधरी तो कह रहा है वैलिड है यार, और
सर,
मैंने इसको ये भी कह दिया जो ये कहेगा सही होगा। अब
सर
तुम ये
पता ही नहीं है ना सर,
कोई
यहाँ पे
बात।
पहले पता ही
हाँ।
नहीं है कि वाई की शादी जेड से होनी कब है, और फिर 6 महीने फिर स्टार्ट कब होंगे। तो सर इट्स नॉट अ वैलिड नोट सर।
प्रकाश चौधरी,
यस सर।
बेटा समझ में आया?
हाँ सर।
देखो अब इसका आंसर देखो, दोनों ही प्रोमिस नोट वैलिड नहीं है। अब पहले वाला क्या था? पहले वाला आई ओ यू स्टेटमेंट। ओके, since A has not made any promise to pay rupees 1,000 to B, mere acknowledgement of debtness is not a result in a valid promissory note. Further, A has not made any instrument in writing. He is just saying, देखो ना क्या लिखा हुआ है, A tells B. Okay, okay, so it is not a valid promise. Secondly, second वाला क्या है? It is also not a valid promise note since the promise is conditional, as Y marriage to Z is not certain to happen. Okay, and Karthikeyan has said very correctly that it is not certain when Y will marry Z, and when this 6 months will start, and when then it will end. There is nothing certainty in this. Okay, hence this is not a valid promissory note. Okay everyone, एक और करें क्या?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक और। An acceptor tells a bills of exchange, but an acceptor accepts a bills of exchange, but write on it accepted, but payment will be made when the goods delivered to me. अब ये बताओ ये वैलिड है कि नहीं? ये बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज है भाई, एक्सेप्टर ने एक्सेप्ट तो कर दिया है, लेकिन साथ में ये चीज और लिखी भाई, मैं तब ये एक्सेप्टेड तब, लेकिन पेमेंट में कब करूंगा? जब मेरे पास में बिल वो गुड्स आ जाएंगे। ये वैलिड है कि नहीं बताओ। बाकी सब चीजें अपन मान लेते हैं कि दे रखी हैं, डेट वेट वगैरह सब कुछ है इसमें।
सर वैलिड सर।
वैलिड है?
यस सर।
ओके, क्यों वैलिड है बेटा?
Sir, because he specified when he gets the goods, he'll pay the money. If he doesn't get the good, he's not going to pay the money.
Okay, fine. And getting goods, and it is a मतलब ये तो ठीक है ना यार, it's good enough that why one will pay money when he will get the goods, then only he will pay money. Anyone else in the class? Rakesh, can you see it from the point of view of condition? Isn't it a conditional acceptance?
Yes, sir. So, but
So-
that is how if you pay the money prior to receiving the goods, that is just like being like having trust on him, and if he doesn't pass it on the goods to you, it's just waste. It's just like he's looting you.
Good enough. Fine. Good argument, Rakesh. Anyone else? Anything else? Shaurya, any word from your side on this?
No, so I agree with him. Like it's a valid one.
Okay. Nandini Khandelwal, are you there? Not there. Kartik Rajput.
Yes, sir.
Is this a valid acceptance, Kartik? Yes, Kartik. Is it a valid acceptance or not?
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know? You have just now joined the class, is it so? Kartik Rajput, when you joined the class?
Sir, 10 minutes before.
When did you join the class? You were not there right from the beginning.
Sir, 10 a.m.
Okay, you have joined very late. That's why you are saying you do not know this.
Sorry, sir.
Just for the sake of attendance, you are coming in the class. Is it so? Gautam
No, sir.
Godra. Gautam Godra. Gautam Godra. Shaurya, mark absent. Gautam Godra.
Okay, sir.
Now it is a valid acceptance, though the acceptance is valid and the acceptor is liable, but it amounts to qualified acceptance. Other party is not liable on the bill, okay, unless it has given its consent to the qualified acceptance. However, the holder is entitled to object the qualified acceptance and treat the bill as dishonored by non-acceptance. And in such a case, all the prior parties shall be liable towards the holder of the goods. Is it okay? So it's a valid acceptance, but the other party should also endorse that I agree with it. But this type of bills cannot be further endorsed. Okay. So it loses the quality of bills of exchange as such, because it loses the quality of negotiable instrument. It doesn't become further negotiable as such. Okay. But at the same time, the acceptance is valid. Why? Because he is saying that I accept the goods when I will get the delivery of the goods. I accept the bills subject to the delivery, but it is again has become a conditional. So it is a valid acceptance, but provided the bill remains between these parties only. It cannot be further endorsable. Okay, is that okay, everyone? Chaliye, let me take the attendance and then we will leave the class. Okay, so Gautam Godra, Harshit Kumawat, you have to say yes, sir. Gautam Godra, Harshit Kumawat, Hemant Kumar Khatik, Kartik Rajput, Kartikeyan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Lakshraj Singh, Manan Goyal, Matang Sharma,
Yes, sir.
Mukul Swami,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nandini Khandelwal, Parth Narendra Bhai, Prakash Chaudhary, Pushpendra Pal Singh,
Yes, sir.
Rahul Javeria, Rakesh Raika, Ravi
Present, sir.
Ravi,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shapar, present.
Rohan Modi, Sandeep Singh Bhati, Saurya Dikshit, Tarush Mudgal, and Tirthak.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine then. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the class because we had some practical exposure towards certain situations, and such situations may be asked in your exams also as such. Okay, so be prepared and prepare well. Okay, and have a nice day. Thank you for being with me. Have a
Sir,
nice day and enjoy yourself. Yeah.
सर मेरे को वो 4 क्विज के मार्क्स के बारे में पूछना था सर, कब तक मिलेंगे मेरे को?
मार्क्स
तक
में
आ सके?
सबके मार्क्स पोस्ट कर चुका हूँ मैं। अच्छा, वो जो वापस किया था आपने वो?
हाँ, यस सर।
मैं अभी भेजता हूँ।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, everyone, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.